I believe that all of us have watched the video that is trending online from America, that Barack Obama is one of the people sponsoring Boko Haram in Nigeria with American money. Barack Obama, Joe Biden, their party, they are the one of the people, the main people that are sponsoring Boko Haram in Nigeria. And since this news came out, all the vampires in the Nigeria government house keep quiet. All the vampires, politician vampires in Asolok, all of them keep quiet. No one of them talk. The news came out from America that they are the people, Obama group, they are the people that are sponsoring Boko Haram in Nigeria. I want you to know that America will not just come like that, sponsoring Boko Haram in Nigeria. No, there will be a Nigerian politicians. They are working together with Nigerian politicians. But on a light position against Simon Ekpa in Finland, to arrest him, to accuse him, to destroy him, to bring him Nigeria. And you people are accusing Finland. Why them allow Simon Ekpa to tormenting Nigeria? I want to know the talk. But now the news has come out from America that Obama party, they are the one of the people that's sponsoring Boko Haram. Yes, on all the Nigerian politicians keep quiet, pretending. All the Nigerian politicians, they keep quiet because they know they're safe. They know that they are the ones that are receiving that money. When Barack Obama, Joe Biden, when their party will send that money, now then go receive them. Yes, and sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen. That is why no one of them talk. Make them talk now. Nigerian politicians, House of Assembly, senators, governors, president, make una talk. Speak. America have said that the Barack Obama party, they are the one that are sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen in Nigeria, and all of you people keep quiet because that money, America cannot come in Nigeria sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen without Nigerian politicians backing it up. Make una talk. Make una talk say na lie. Make una talk now. Una keep quiet because una be our problem. Since 2009, they are slaughtering Christians, bombing churches, killing soldiers, killing police, bombing everywhere. Wicked politicians. Make una talk. If you say they talk say na Biafra, Israel is sponsoring Biafra, una go start talking, condemning it. Say hey, Israel want to destroy our land. Israel want to destroy our land. All of you gonna talk. But now, everything has been exposed. All of you are keeping quiet because now owner. You people are working together with Obama politicians. But God Almighty will judge all of you one by one. Governor Peter Mbah, the Enugu State Governor. This thing I'm hearing, let it not be truth that you want to give Fulani land in Igbo land. That you want to give Fulani land in Enugu State. Let it not be truth. Don't use because of money to say your birthright. Governor Peter Mbah, Obune Ezioku, that you want to give Fulani herdsmen, you want to give Boko Haram land in Enugu State. Know that you will receive punishment. Know that you have bring cause to your family, to your generation. Want to give Fulani land in Enugu State, Governor Peter Mbah, let it not be truth because of money. Each of ETND when a bondage hang up again. Let it not be truth that you want to give Fulani land in Enugu State. Eyamufi is on fire since how many years right now? Fulani herdsmen are tormenting people, slaughtering people there, and you, governor, never stand up to condemn it. But you have stand up to condemn, sit at home. Let it not be truth. Because you want to put in the Enugu State on bondage. You want to put Igbo land on bondage in the history. You want to help them for the Islamization of Nigeria. You want to help them for Islamization of Igbo land. Let it not be truth. And this is a warning to all the Southeast governors, Governor Soludo, Governor Alex, Governor Peter Mbah, Governor Francis, and Governor Hope Uzodinma. Let it not be any one of you. We try to give Fulani land, Luga, for the Islamization of Nigeria. Don't use because of money, to sell your generation, to sell the Igbo land. Don't use because of money to bring the enemies of Igbo in Igbo land, to cause generation war that will never end. Make Eastern governors that we try this. Because if you try that, God of heaven will judge you.